Hello everyone, I am Sujay Datta. So here we are with a question on time, speed and distance. So some interrelations between these three things, how we solve them. So let's quickly figure out what it is saying. There are 720 kilometers you have to travel in 8 hours. You have traveled partly by air, partly by train. So let us say this is your 720 kilometers. Let us say you have traveled this part by air and this part by train. Now it says you have traveled all the way by air, so that means this part remains air, this also becomes by air. He would have saved 4/5 of the time he was in the train, okay, and would have arrived his destinations 4 hours early. So now this one took 8 hours, so this one will take 4 hours. So time saved 4 hours, that is 4/5 of the time taken by the train. Therefore, time taken by the train must have been 5 hours. So that means this part took 5 hours. Since the total journey originally took 8 hours, then the journey by air, that part took 3 hours. Okay. In this case, second case, this is still 3 hours and this has now become 1 hour. That's how the total is now 4 hours. So this is basically the main idea. The question is asking how much distance did he travel by air and by train. So now if it's 720 is the total distance and by air throughout it takes 4 hours. So speed of the traveling, the part, speed of the plane or the aeroplane traveling by air, that would be 720 divided by 4. So that is 180 kilometers per hour. Once we know that, now it's very simple. Therefore 3 hours would be 3 times 180, that is 540 kilometers, and the remaining distance which he had originally travelled by train would be 720 minus this 540, which is the balance 180 kilometers. So the distances are 180 by train and 540 by air. I hope this was clear. Thanks for watching.